I don't know if I got it or not, 'cause by these folk, I've not actually done.